I'm Brandy Adamson, your purpose coach with the Sylvain Group. Today we're going to discuss if you need certificates to be a fashion magazine editor. While certificates are not required to be a fashion magazine editor, they definitely help to build your brand. They set you apart, they help you stay abreast of the things that are necessary as far as grammatical, layouts, and as far as being creative in your approach to the project. Being a fashion magazine editor is a very, very fierce competition. Many people want those positions. So to set yourself apart, certificates help. If you have a portfolio that shows your prior work, as well as being creative in your approach to the job, those three things will help you to be successful. Again, certificates are not required, but they definitely build your brand.